Okay, guys. Ever wanted a simple way to showcase two products side by side without spending hours setting up something complicated? Well, this one's genuinely one of the easiest sections we've covered, and the best part, it's completely free. Today, we're adding this split image section to your store, perfect for placing two product images right next to each other. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Featured Quote. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info, and since this section is completely free, you don't even need to add any card details. Just hit the Purchase button and it'll be added straight into your library. I've already got this one added, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where all your added sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Split. Then choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. Once you click on it, its customizable settings open up on the left side. Things like desktop height, mobile height, and width. But first, let's add an image here of your product, or whatever you'd like to show. I'm adding one of my own product images right now. Now you can also add a link behind it related to that specific product. I'll just add a random one here to show you how it works. So when a user clicks on this image, it redirects them straight to that product. Let's scroll down a bit more and change the background color to white to make it look transparent. That's the left panel done. Now let's move to the right panel. And honestly, customizing this is just as easy. Just like the left panel, if you don't want to manually add an image, you can simply add the product's link instead, and it'll automatically pull in that product's image. You can also add any external link here if you'd prefer. Let's change the background color here too, so both images end up looking consistent with each other. Once you've customized this section based on your own store's needs, hit Save, and the section goes live on your store instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.